Hello everyone, this is Sanjay, studying 3rd BTech first sem in the Department of IT. Today our topic is removing ambiguity from a context-free grammar. First of all, we will see what is ambiguity in context-free grammar. Ambiguity of context-free grammar refers to a situation where a single input string can be derived in multiple ways using it. This leads to the existence of multiple valid parse trees for the same input. We will face different problems due to the ambiguity. We will see some of the problems. The problem of multiple interpretations. Ambiguity poses a significant challenge in parsing and interpreting a language because it creates multiple valid interpretations for a given input. These interpretations can result in different meaning or outcome. The second problem is challenges in parsing. When a grammar is ambiguous, parsing tools may struggle to determine the correct structure and meaning of the input. Ambiguity can lead to parsing errors and hinder the accurate processing of the language. Let us see an example of context-free grammar that produces ambiguous parse trees. For that, we need some production rules. Let us take production rules as on the screen. And the string that need to be generated is id plus id star id. For these production rules, we will get two parse trees which are ambiguous. One is as on the screen and another one is on the screen. Here we got two different parse trees. Here the ambiguity raises which one is need to be selected. To remove this ambiguity, we have several steps. Here is the step-by-step process to remove ambiguity. First one is define operator precedence. Decide which operator has higher precedence than others. In this case, asterisk has higher precedence than plus. For simplicity, let us assume that asterisk has the highest precedence and plus has lowest precedence. Now the second step is specify associativity. Define how operators of the same precedence group are associated. In the arithmetic expressions, asterisk and plus are typically left associative, which means expressions are evaluated from the left to right. And the third step is modify the grammar. Update the grammar rules to reflect the operator precedence and associativity that you have chosen. You can do this by introducing additional non-terminals. And the modify grammar of the previous example that we have taken is E tends to E plus T or T. T tends to T asterisk F or F. F tends to ID. And the parse tree that produces using the production rules, that is modified grammar is